Last day in Malta. Spending it with my cousin and my new friends here in Malta. Would you ba?
Ay, ayaw ko mag-vlog.
Senyorita.
Talaga, gusto ko lang party.
Party, party.
Mamaya mag-party tayo.
Party daw tayo. Drawing na naman kami. Mag-party ba tayo?
Po?
Mag-party tayo?
Pag okay.
Pag okay ang feeling niya. Pag gabi to, inaano lang vlog na gabi. We're here in Bujiba. We're gonna take a bus going to Grotto. Hintay kami ng bus papuntang Grotto. Isang sakay lang tayo?
Opo.
Gagala kami ni Hansel. Ayun ang bus. I don't know what bus number we're waiting for. Paslaki kami ngayon sa bus. Papunta kami sa Grotto at probably sa Papay Village as well. If the time allows. Excited ka na? First timer sa Papay Village. Hopefully we can still make it. I don't know. It's already like 4:30 or 5. No. 4:30 to 5 already. So hopefully we still got time to go there and visit if it's open. Yung aming dalawang kasama, si Hansel at si Rosa. Welcome to Melia, guys. We're gonna visit the grotto na. Hansel's gonna take us there.
Hansel.
Yeah.
Clean.
How can I help? Is it your first time here or no?
No.
Many times.
I'm always here when I was living down the
Down the grotto.
Yung walang ano.
Pwede na ba?
No.
Hindi pa. Ito sila. Tatawid tayo. Yun yung bahay ko.
Wow.
Yun yung sa'yo. Pagkakatabi lang tayo. Sabi, nakita nyo yan? Hindi sa amin yan. Na, ang ganda.
Our Lady
Tawag?
of Grotto.
Our Lady of Grotto. So guys, we're gonna visit the Our Lady of Grotto here in Melia. Ano namang church yun? Ang ganda. You know?
Nakalimutan ko.
Kalimot. Ang ganda, no?
Maganda eh.
Oo.
Kasi sarado eh. Hindi
Mm.
ko kasi mapapasok.
Oo.
Napasok ko lang yan nung umaga.
May English, saka may Maltese din.
Maltese
May isa.
lang dyan?
Maltese lang. Doon nga sa tapi, no? Sige lang kami, yes lang, amen lang kami na yun. Dito na kayo, tayo. Our Lady of Grotto. So, Our Lady of Grotto Shrine. So, go in! Welcome! Oh, how many steps? So, yun na, sige na tayo bababa na. Ito po ang Grotto, Our Lady of Grotto. Sige na, baba lang mga guys. Buti naman at open pa rin siya pala. Open pa rin pala siya. Hindi tayo masasaraduhan dito ha. Here in Melia. Oh, it's a bit dim light here. Sacred place, guys. Wow. Very nice, guys. I didn't count the steps. So you can sit here as well. Mga
Alam mo yung parang nasa ano tayo.
So we're going up now. I'm gonna take the bus now going to the Papay Island, Papay Village. CR tayo.
Ipan mo yung ano.
Another church, 1719. Pakawalan nyo kami. Kami na kami. May magandang view doon, oh. Tingnan natin. Limutan doon yung ano pangalan ng church.
Look at that.
Oh my Lord. Ang ganda, no?
गर्दा नि ल क्याचर सिधै गर्दा नि ल
Ayun siya tayo.
Tapos na po kami magpicturan doon. So, libot naman. Sa ibang lugar. Down there is the Santa Claus. Christmas na yung kinanta. Picture ang aking cousin. Ang ganda naman dito. Mga turista. On the way to Papay Village. The village. Papay the Sailor Man. Papay Village. To Papay Village, everybody. It's here in Melia. Prepaid tickets and booking.
Meron pang area na ano.
10 to 6. Hello, Papay. Pahingin ng tinapay. Ay siya.
Welcome to Papa.
Welcome to Papa. Boop, boop. He's nodding. Sabi ni Brooke, ni Olive.
Sige, Tessa. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
3 beautiful people. 1, 2, 3. Another one. Yip! Aura! Salita. Basta na po ang Papay Village. Dito lang tayo sa labas. Kasi close na siya. Tsaka may bayad din. Papasok na. Kaya dito lang tayo. Mag-picture lang tayo. Ayan yung boat ni Papay. Thank you, Hansel, for taking us here. Oops. Ticket booth. This is the surrounding area. Look at that nice. That's the church that we went earlier. That we had a picture. Ang lawak. Cafe, bar and restaurant here. Ang ganda ng sarado na siya kasi hapon na. Picture taking na lang dito sa labas. May kainan din siya dito. Closing na, guys. Latecomers tayo kasi, kaya we need to go now. It's closing time. Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao.
Yan lang naman na makikita natin
Oo.
dyan, diba?
Ganda ng sunset.
Yan dyan din ang maganda kasi yung mga bahay ni Papay talaga makikita mo.
Kala ko doon lang.
Yan, yan.
Ang ganda naman ng sunset.
Yan.
Ayun pala. Ito pala siya. Ayun, mayroong ano. Chris, asan ka? Oh, wait. Ganda. May naliligo pa na. Panghampas ng tubig. Ang ganda ng sunset. Beautiful. Hello to the family. Mario and Wabi family. And the rest of the families. Everybody. Enjoy the view, guys. Isang ko nag-vlog din. Hope you like the view. Nice sunset here as well. My cousin and my friends. Really nice here.
Ay, dito.
Very nice. Mga boats. Hangin ha. Kumapit kayo. Iwanan kami ng bus. So, lakad mode kami ngayon, mga beauty.
Tiis ganda.
Tiis ganda. Tamang-tama, mag-dinner na. Di ko tom goods kami pagdating doon.
Ay, may...
Dance na, party na. Party mode na rin. Layo pa lalakarin namin. Doon pa.
Ay, iba din.
Nag-itali pa pa.
Tara nga, pagdating ko may birthday ka.
Bye, Malta. Enjoyed my visit here. I saw my cousin, met some Filipinos, and been to Gozo and see the beautiful scenery of Malta. My last day here in Malta for this week. Thank you very much, cousin.
Thank you.
We got Rosalind and Hansel and my dear friend Titing. Thank you for coming. This is my despedida party. My cousin is cooking spaghetti for our lunch for later before we go to the airport. It's my last day today here in Malta. I've enjoyed my stay here. Such a lovely time with my beautiful cousin. Thank you for accommodating me here. Hope to see you again. Hope to see you again, or see you in UK. It's time to go. Time to go back to the freezer. Natid ako ng cousin ko dito sa bus stop, sa X1.
No.
Not yet. From Bujiba to the airport. Malta airport.